Mara Pope from the Investing News Network, coming to you on day 2 of IMIC. Joining me here today is Larry Raugh, CEO of American Manganese. Thanks for coming in today, Larry.
Well, I'm glad to be here.
Can you please provide our investor audience an overview of American Manganese and its battery recycling project?
Okay, always happy to do that. And we have a recycling opportunity that we're advancing. It's a innovative, disruptive technology that actually provides a solution from cradle to grave for lithium-ion batteries. And specifically, we're focusing on the EV car battery. I'll give you a little history.
Sure.
The process was developed for manganese down at Tillery Peak, Arizona. And the U.S. government worked on it for 80 years, just to give you an idea that this didn't just fall off the wall technology. 80 years they worked on it. They could never solve the problem of taking very low grades of 2 to 3% manganese and making electrolytic manganese metals without running the op costs way up. And so they never did get that solved. We took the project over. We gathered up all the information. We hired Chemetco to solve the problem. And after 2.5 years and a few $1 million, we were able to produce electrolytic manganese metals at comparative cost to China, which is saying something. Our grades were 2 to 3%. Chinese grades were 30 to 50%. So there's a big difference. And we actually went through a full pre-feasibility study on it. We had our technology verified by Tetra Tech, which is one of the biggest engineering firms in the world. And but the price of manganese didn't cooperate. It kept dropping to a level where it was not economic to bring the project into production. On the shelf it went, and in 2015, Chemetco phoned me up and said, "Hey, we're looking at the chemistries here, and we think that the chemistry works for the manganese will work for cobalt, lithium." And so I said, "Okay, what do we got to do?" They said, "Well, we got to do a proof of concept." So I raised the money, and we did a proof of concept. We got 100% of the materials back, which is unheard of. As a matter of fact, people don't believe it, but what they have to believe is that when we're treating the cathode materials, it's a pound here, it's pure 100% cathode materials. So it comes out here purer 100% cathode metals. So, reality is you're not working with a grade of 10% or something like that with a whole bunch of gang and a whole bunch of other bad characters like iron, copper, and everything else that's in this thing. And it reduces the recoveries. It's pure. And so we've taken that and we've picked up a lot of excitement. We've had good coverage from Bloomberg and Reuters, and I expect there'll be more coverage coming from that. And we've got joint ventures in the works with the disassembly part, and that hopefully will be announced in a few weeks. So we got a lot of excitement happening in the company. I wish we could say that the market was conducive to good news, because it's not. And but we are progressing the company. We're adding value every day. And so this recycling program, we've got competitors out there that say they're recycling, but the end game is usually they burn it. When you burn it, you get 50% of the cobalt back. The rest of it, the nickel, the manganese, the lithium, everything goes into slag. So that's not a cradle to grave solution. Ours is. And we've got a lot of interest in this project out of Asia. I hate to say it, but the Asians overwhelm the interest we get out of North America and Europe. And but we're really excited about the project, and it's moving along well. We have no setbacks, and right now we're treating scrap material from recyclers in the U.S., and we're treating a material that was prepared by the group in Europe. We expect that the scraps should give us, our 100% number, but the other materials prepared a different way, so it may not be 100%. But right now, everything working for us, we should have a solution that's 100%, and it's cradle to grave. It's a circular economy, and certainly environmentally friendly and socially conscious. That's what EV car manufacturers say that they are. Unless they're doing something with the batteries, they're not. And we have a solution.
And how does your technology fit into the existing battery space?
It's the same. The battery's got to be. What we do is we get the cylinders out of the battery packs, and then we have a concept of taking that cylinder. Think an ordinary battery cell like the size of my thumb. It could be up to 12,000 in a battery pack, and they contain all the cathode materials. Top, bottom, off, split it open, peel it on an automated basis, and then you strip out the aluminum foil, which can be about that long, and the copper foil about the same length. Aluminum has the cathodes on it, the copper foil has the anode material. And then we have a chemical process for getting the cathode material off and the anode material off. They go into separate streams, and we can recycle the aluminum foils and the copper foils. Certainly, once it's in solution, we have a way of getting rid of the electrolyte, and then it goes into the leach process.
And what's the significance of the company's recent deal with Circulator Limited, integrating blockchain technology into your process?
Blockchain technology is a way to track the EV car battery when it reaches the end of life, when it's spent. We want to know, where it ends up, and so the blockchain will tell us where it's ending up, so that we can, procure those, whether it costs us money or whether it doesn't cost us money. We can get those batteries and use them in our process. And the blockchain will track it from the time it's in the car to the time it reaches the end of life, and where does it go.
Great. Well, thank you. We'll stay tuned as the story develops. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
This is Amara Pope from the Investing News Network, your trusted source for investing success.